Hi everyone, this is Ramya from Takajo Master near MISC Medical College, Kolancheri. So today I would like to discuss some of the serious errors that I have seen when you are writing to a non-case. When you are writing a non-case, there are some serious mistakes which you really want to avoid while writing a non-case. So the first thing which you have to note is that when you are writing a non-case in the introduction, you should not include the word to introduce or to refer and the clause, describing clause WHO. Okay, when you are including these things in your introduction, the purpose and the thing will goes wrong. So it's better not to include refer or introduce. I'm writing to introduce. That phrase is not good. I don't think that is right. Okay, so I'm writing to introduce or I'm writing to refer Mr. X or Mr. Smith who has undergone or whatever it is. Okay, so try to avoid words like to introduce, refer. Another thing is that better not to include the word unknown case of yours. Okay, that can also be avoided. Okay, now, so how to write? How to write the introduction? It's always better to write, if it is a discharge letter, you can go for writing Mr. X is being discharged back into your care. If you're writing to a rehab center or retirement home, if the patient was taken from there, if you're going to discharge the patient, you can write Mr. X is being discharged back into your care. And if you require a follow-up care, you can go for writing. I'm writing to update the current health status of Mr. Smith. If you're writing to the family doctor or to the GP, patient's GP, you can go for writing this way. Another way of writing is I'm writing in regards to your patient, or else Mr. Smith, a regular patient at your clinic, was admitted to the hospital following a fall. Blah blah blah. Okay, so in this way you can write the introductory sentence when you're writing a non-case. Then how to understand whether the patient is a non-case or not, that is quite important. Okay, you need to understand whether the patient is not to the reader or not. For that, what you have to see? You have to see the writing task. You have to read and understand the writing task clearly. If it is given as write a letter to a local GP or family doctor, that doesn't mean that it is a non-case. Okay, it should be clearly mentioned in the task and says like if it is patient's GP or patient's family doctor, apostrophe yes, that means a possessiveness will be short, patients. Okay, in that way, if it is clearly mentioning that you are writing to this particular patient's GP or to the family doctor, then only it is said it is a non-case. Okay. Another thing is that what all information should be included when you are writing a non-case. That is also quite important. The first thing which you have to focus is that you need to avoid about all the histories about whether it is medical, social, family or surgical, whatever be all those histories can be avoided. And your focus should be completely on the purpose of the letter. You have to focus on the purpose of the letter and what all things has to be included. Obviously, you have to include about a recent or emergency event. If you're writing, for example, if you're writing to a GP, that particular GP may not be having always a link with this particular patient. Only this patient will be consulting this GP when some situation arises, isn't it? So it is not mandatory that this GP may be knowing about the emergency event that happens in this patient's life. Okay, so you have to include about the recent or emergency events. Another thing is about the nursing management. What are things? What all nursing management or nursing progress is mentioned on the case note, you can include that one. If the patient has undergone surgery, definitely you have to include the post-operative phase. Another thing is about the current condition of the patient, the current medicines which he is taking, or else if there is some adjustment in the medicines, all those things has to be known. Okay, and the last one is about the request and recommendations which needs to be included. Okay, what are things the other person, the receiver, needs to do for this patient. Okay. Another point to be noted is that there are some useful phrases which you can use when you are writing a known case. What are they? You can write as you know, as you probably know, as you are aware, or as is when you are writing socio-medical history. For example, Yeah, if the patient was taken from a retirement or a rehab center, so when you are writing a discharge letter, you can, as the first body paragraph can start like, as you are aware, Mr. X was admitted following a fall. Or as you are aware, Mr. X has a habit of whatever it is. Okay, so these kind of phrases can be used when you are writing about something which already the reader knows. Next one is that there are situations in which you will be writing to a family member or to a parent. Okay, so you will be writing either to a family member. Sometimes the patient, a wife will be admitted, so you are going to write information regarding the wife to the patient's husband. Okay, so to an extent, it's an information letter. Okay, another thing is that sometimes a school nurse will be writing letter to the parent. There what all things has to be included. You can include about the recent events or the progress or the complaints that arises. Okay, another thing is that you have to request them, or you have to tell them about the importance of continued monitoring. Maybe this patient requires a surgery after 6 weeks, so this patient requires a continued monitoring, so you can request that too. Another thing is that if there is any future appointments with the hospital or to some other specialist, you have to mention that too. Another thing is that you have to include the recommendations and suggestions, which will be mentioned, or which has to be done by this particular person. Those things only you have to include. Okay, whatever given in the discharge plan or recommendation paragraph, you don't want to include everything. The only thing is that what the other person wants to know, what the other person will do. These kind of things also can be included. So I hope the video is clear. Thank you so much.